What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have HLBZ. Helbiz, it's 21% down today. What was my prediction, guys? Just go check the previous video. As you can see, we have this arrow bearish. So I was looking for these lows to get cleared. Either way, they got cleared. These lows are around 122. And now what's next? Next is, are we bullish on the higher time frame? Yeah, I can argue yes. But also here we tapped into this supply. But like if the daily time frame is bullish, which it actually is from here, I'm bullish too. So yeah, that's that. We might be a little bit bearish here, but then here I'm gonna be bullish, right? Now, like, for some people who do not understand what I'm talking about, like obviously they're gonna be, why is this guy talking about bullish bearish, man? Just say one thing. It's not how it works, right? A lot of people are gonna be confused as fuck. Maybe you're confused as fuck, but it can be bullish to right around here. Again, it will just make more sense for this thing to just do this than to actually come this low and then continue higher. So, yeah, if we break above this high, I'm definitely going to consider some outside moves too. But still looking for this inefficiency to at least get filled. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye and stay tuned.